This is one of my alcohol stoves. It's just a simple stainless steel stove and a cheap GSI stainless knockoff from Walmart. This whole kit costs probably 15 bucks or less. Works off of alcohol. It's all stainless steel. Then I have this little folding spoon here too. This is one of my lowest cost cooksets, but I don't really like it that much, so I don't use it. It's kind of heavy, and I don't really like alcohol anymore, but I used alcohol for a long time. But it does work. It's super reliable, so definitely an option. Thanks for watching.